Hello everyone! Welcome to Native Man Math Tutorial wherein you can find free mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Ang content ng video lesson na ito ay Grade 9 Mathematics and this is under Term 1 of the revised K-10 curriculum. Ito po ay part 1 of the lessons for week number 3. For today's video lesson, we are going to discuss relations and functions. But before we discuss this lesson, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more video lesson. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin. The learning competency of this lesson is identify relations that are functions based on the definitions of relations and functions. So this is under term 1, week 3 of the revised K-10 curriculum. And for the objectives, at the end of the session, you will be able to, number 1, recall ordered pairs and its graph in a Cartesian plane. Number 2, define and identify relations and functions in different ways. Number 3, determine relations if function or not function given in different ways. And number 4, graph ordered pairs in Cartesian plane and tell if function or not function. Okay, let's start by defining what is a relation and what is a function. Relation is a set of ordered pairs defining the relation between two sets. Mean to say, ang relation ay set of ordered pairs. So kung meron kang two or more ordered pairs, then that is called relation. Okay? How about function? Function is a relation such that each element xy from a given set is related to other element xy in a set. Ibig sabihin, ang function po ay relation at ang relation ay ordered pairs. Meaning to say, ang function, ito rin po ay ordered pairs or set of ordered pairs, but this time, para masabi po nating function, yung one ordered pair is related to other ordered pair in a set. Kung meron pong relationship between the ordered pairs, then that is called a function. Pero kung walang relationships yung ordered pairs, that is just a relation. Okay, so nabanggit po yung ordered pair here. Okay, to recall what is ordered pair, an ordered pair is represented as input-output. Ano pong ibig sabihin? Input-output is an ordered pair. So input represent the value of x and the output represent the value of y. Okay. The relation shows the relationship between input and output. So yung input and output po dito, there is a relationship. Later, I'm going to present illustration. Whereas a function is a relation which derives one output for its given output. Let me present to you illustration. We have set A. And set A, the elements are ordered pairs. We have 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, and 5, 2. So sa ating pong ordered pairs, always po sa ating ordered pair, the first value is the x and the second value is the y and so on. So lahat po yan, hindi po pwedeng mauna yung y at mahuli yung x, hindi po pwede. So always, the first number in ordered pair is x, then followed by y. Okay, since this set is the set of ordered pairs, then that is called a relation. So relation po ito kasi ito po ay set of ordered pairs. Now, is this relation or is this set of ordered pairs a function or not function? Okay. So kapag may relationship between ordered pairs, pwedeng sabihing function. But if there is no relationship between ordered pairs, that is not function. Okay? So later, ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo how to determine if function or not function. But take note first, not all relations are functions, but all functions are relation. Okay? Relation and function can be defined in three different ways, such as, what are those? Letter A, set of ordered pairs. Letter B, correspondence or mapping. And letter C, a graph. So, ipipresent ko po yung relation in functions using the different ways. Let me illustrate the three different ways. So, let's start with the set of ordered pairs. So, we all know what is or what are ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are represented in this way, right? 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, -2. So, set of ordered pairs. Another one is correspondence or mapping. So, paano naman po pinipresent ang function and relation sa correspondence in mapping? Just like this one. So, we have input or the value of x. Okay, this one. And another is output or the value of y. So, usually, pinipresent po yung correspondence or mapping using semicircle, just like this one. Okay? At meron po tayong arrow from input to output. Okay? So, lahat po yan from input to output. So, ito po yung ibig sabihin ng mapping or correspondence. So, later, magpipresent po ako ng different examples. And for graph, we can graph ordered pair in a Cartesian coordinate plane. So, mean to say, ang graph po ng ordered pairs ay pwede rin pong i-represent ang relation and function. Okay, so let's have examples on how to determine if its relation is a function or not function. Unahin po natin ang set of ordered pairs. We have number one set of ordered pairs. And this set is named as set X. And the ordered pairs are 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, -2. Now, what is this set of ordered pairs? Is it a function or not function? So, paano po natin yan madedetermine? Ganito lang po yon. I-list po natin yung input and also we list the output. So, yung input ay value ng x at ang output is the value of y. Okay. So, sa atin pong ordered pair, yung first number sa bawat ordered pair, yun po yung input. Okay? Ito pong 2, 3, and then 4. Yan po yung first number sa bawat ordered pair. Okay? Guhitan ko po. 2, 3, and then 4. So, yan po yung value ng x or yan po yung input. So, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this one. And for the output, the value of y. Ito po yung second number sa ating ordered pairs. We have 5, 5, -2. Okay, this one. 5, 5, -2 for output or y. So, using this relation, okay, paano natin masasabi kapag kung ito ay function or not function? Ang una po nating titignan ay yung input. Okay. So, the values of input are 2, 3, and 4. Okay, bilugan ko po. Kapag walang naulit na number dito sa input, ibig sabihin, ito po ay function. Okay. Tingnan po natin yung output. May naulit po na 5. So, okay lang po kahit may maulit na value ng y. Huwag lang po ang maulit ay yung input or yung value ng x. Okay. So, if this is the case, then this is a function. How about this one? I-compare po natin. We have set y. The ordered pairs are 2, 1, 2, 6, 8, 0. Okay. Then, we're going to list the input and the output. So, yung input again is the value of x. So, yung first number sa ating ordered pair, we have 2, we have 2, we have 8. So, 2, 2, 8 are the values of x. Okay, this one, 2, 2, 8. And for the output values of y, the second number sa ating ordered pair, we have 1, 6, 0. Ito po yon 1, 6, 0. So, here, ang naulit naman po ay input. So, na-double po yung 2. We have 2, 2, 8. At yung output naman ay wala pong naulit na number. So, okay lang. May maulit man dito sa value ng y o wala, hindi po yan ang basis natin. Ang basis po natin ay yung value ng x o yung ating input. Since may naulit na number sa input, then we conclude that this ordered pair are not function or the set of ordered pair is not a function. Okay? How about this number 3 set of ordered pairs? This is set T. The ordered pairs are 9, 2, 7, 2, 9, -1. Okay? Para malaman po natin if this is a function or not function, then we are going to list the input or the value of x. So what are the value of x sa ating ordered pairs? We have the first number, 979. Okay, this one, 979. And for the output, we have 2, 2, negative 1. Okay, this one, 2, 2, negative 1. We are going to analyze the input and output. So sa input, na doble yung number 9. And for the output or y, na doble yung 2. So, ito po ba ay function or not function? Okay. Again, ang una po nating titingnan ay yung input or value of x. Since may naulit pong number, which is 9, then ito po ay not function. Okay? So, not function, again, I will repeat, kapag may mauulit sa input or sa value ng x. Okay? So, okay na po kahit may maulit o wala sa value ng y. How about number 4? Set A, the ordered pairs are Leia Ben, Venus Jake, and Zany Fred. Okay. Is this a function or not function? So we're going to list the input or the value of x. So the first value there, the first name sa bawat ordered pair ay Leia, Venus, and Zany. Okay, this one, Leia, Venus, Zany. And for the output or the value of y, we have the second number sa ating ordered pair, Ben, Jake, and Fred. Okay, this one, Ben, Jake, and Fred. So may naulit po ba sa input? Leia, Venus, Zany. So wala pong naulit na name, then we call this one as a function. How about this number 5? Set T, the ordered pairs are bird dog, goat cat, and bird pig. Now, is this a function or not function? So to determine, we're going to list the input or the value of x. So ano po yung input natin? Yung first name, bird, goat, and bird. So this one, bird, goat, bird. And for the output or y, we have dog, cat, and pig. Okay, dog, cat, pig. So, using this input and output data, what is this? Function or not function? This is not function. So, bakit po hindi ito function? Okay? Because there are two birds in the input. Okay? Now, how to quickly tell if ordered pairs from a function? Paano po ba natin masasabi ng mabilisan kapag yung set of ordered pairs is a function or not function? Okay, ito lang po yung simple question. Does any x value repeat with a different y value? If your answer is yes, then not function. But if your answer is no, then this is a function. Ulitin po natin. Does any x value repeat? Meron po bang naulit sa value ng x? Kapag sinabi mong yes, hindi siya function. Pero pag sinabi mong no, that is a function. Okay? That is the simple meaning of this statement. How about if the given is correspondence or mapping? Okay. How can we say that a correspondence or mapping is a function or not function? Okay, let's have this number 1 example. The set of ordered pairs are 2, 8, 3, 5, and 4, negative 2. Ito po ay set X. Now, ilagay po natin sa correspondence or mapping, or we are going to rewrite this ordered pair or set of ordered pairs in correspondence or mapping. So ito po yung mapping or correspondence. Again, dalawa pong semicircle. At yung first semicircle are the values of x or the input, and the second semicircle are the values of y or the output. Okay. So yung input ay ipe-pair natin sa output. So yung 2 is paired to 8, 3 is paired to 5, and 4 is paired to negative 2. So saan po galing yan? Mula po dito sa ating ordered pair. Ito po yung first ordered pair. 2, 8. Okay, this one. 2 ang input, 8 ang output. Okay? Next, 3, 5. 3 input, 5 output. And 4, negative 2. Okay, this one. 4 input and negative 2 output. Okay, so that is correspondence or mapping. Now, we are going to determine if this mapping or correspondence is a function or not function. So, iyan po ay function. So, bakit po kaya function? Dito po tayo magtitingin sa input. So, again, kapag meron pong number na naulit or kapag meron pong number na na-pair sa dalawang output, then ito po ay not function. Pero kapag 1:1, kagaya po niyan, 1:1 po ang tawag dyan, then that is a function. Okay. So this kind of pairing is called one-to-one correspondence. Okay? One input to one output. Kaya po one-to-one correspondence. So ang one-to-one correspondence po is a function. Okay? Okay. How about this number 2 mapping or correspondence? So yung mapping po natin ay based po sa ating set of ordered pairs. Set P, we have 2, 1. Ito po, 2 and then paired to 1. And we have 2, 6. Since naulit po yung 2, hindi na po natin pwedeng ilagay na 2 ulit. Dapat ang input ay minsan lang po siya mailalagay dito po sa ating semicircle. Kapag naulit po siya, ay okay lang po yan. Basta't minsan lang po natin yan isusulat sa ating input. Dapat wala pong mauulit na number sa input. Okay, kagaya po nito, 2, 1. So, okay, from 2, then to 1. Another ordered pair is 2, 6. So, still, the same number 2 and then 6. So, ganyan po yan kapag may naulit na input. And then the other one, or the third ordered pair, this is 8, 0. Okay, 8, 0. Now, what have you noticed with our pairing? Okay? Isa sa dalawa. Okay. 1:2. Tama po ba? Okay. So here, we can say that this is not a function. Okay? Dalawang beses po o yung input ay dalawa po yung kanyang ipipair sa output. Okay, and that pairing or mapping is called one-to-many correspondence. So if one-to-many, then that is not a function. Take note of that again. One-to-many is not a function. How about this number 3 ordered pairs or set of ordered pairs? We have set M. The ordered pairs are 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 8, and 9, 8. Now, we are going to draw its mapping or correspondence. So ito po yung ating mapping or correspondence of that set of ordered pairs. So again, yung first semicircle is the input. The second semicircle is the output or the value of y. Now, i-pair po natin. Check po natin kung tama po yung pairing. We have 3, 1. Okay, this one, 3 and then 1. Next, 5, 1. So we have 5. Since mayroon na pong 1 sa output, doon na po natin yan ituro. Okay? Again, ito pong 1 sa value ng y or sa output ay nadoble. Pero kung nadoble man yan, minsan lang po natin yan ilalagay dito po sa ating mapping. Okay? Next one is 7, 8. Okay? 7, 8. And the last is 9, 8. So we have 9 and then 8. So notice here, dalawa din po yung 8. But the same way, minsan lang po natin ilalagay yung 8 sa atin pong mapping. So take note again sa ating mapping, minsan lang mag-a-appear yung number. Hindi po pwedeng maulit. Okay, what have you noticed with our pairing? So yung pairing po natin ay many to 1. So if many to 1, then that is a function. So bakit kaya function? May naulit bagang input dito sa atin mapping? Wala pong naulit na input. Okay? Kaya iyan po ay function. So take note that this pairing, many to 1, correspondence is a function. Okay. And ito po yung ating note. 1-to-1 and many-to-1 is a function and 1-to-many is not a function. Okay? Okay, how about if the given is graph? So from the set of ordered pairs, we are going to graph that ordered pairs in our Cartesian coordinate plane. So for the first ordered pair, we have negative 3, 3. Okay, this one. Negative 2, 3. This one. 1, 3. Ito po. And 2, 1. Okay, this point. Now, kapag ito po yung ating graph, how can we determine if this graph is a function or not function? Ganito lang po yon. Gagamit po tayo ng vertical line test. Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng vertical line test? Magdodraw po tayo ng vertical line sa bawat point kagaya po nitong line na kulay green. Okay, ito po yung point. Magdraw po tayo ng line dito. Another point there, we are going to draw a line. We have another point here, draw a line. So lahat po ng points, lalagyan po natin ng vertical line. Okay, and then observe po natin. Ito po bang vertical line natin ay mayroon po bang nadaanan na dalawang points? Okay? The first one, okay, isang point lang. Second vertical line, isang point. Third vertical line, isang point. Fourth vertical line, 1 point only. Kapag ganito po na 1 point lang ang nadaanan ng vertical line, then that is called a function or the graph is a function. Okay? So here, we can say that no two or more points lie in the same vertical plane. So kapag no two or more points lie in the same plane or in the same vertical line, then that is a function. Kagaya po nito. Number 2 example, we have set M. The ordered pairs are negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, 1, 3, 3, and 3, negative 2. If you're going to plot that in a Cartesian coordinate plane, eto po siya. Okay? Hindi ko na po ituturo on how to plot these points or ordered pairs in a Cartesian plane kasi po, na-discuss na po namin ito when you were in grade 8 kung paano po mag-plot sa coordinate plane. Okay, now, meron na po tayong points. We are going to test the different points using vertical line test. So lahat po ng points, lalagyan po natin ng vertical line. Okay, then observe our points and the vertical line. So ito pong first vertical line natin ay 1 point only ang nadaanan niya. Second vertical line, we have 1 point only. And for the third vertical line, dalawa pong points ang nag-fall sa isang vertical line. Okay. So what is our conclusion? Ano po yung conclusion natin dito po sa ating graph and then the vertical line test? Since yung ating pong vertical line test, dalawa pong points ang nadaanan niya, then we call this graph of points as not function. So hindi po siya function. Okay, ito po yung ating note. 2 points lie in the same vertical 2 points lie in the same vertical line is not a function. Okay? Okay, how about this number 3 example? We have set M. The ordered pairs are negative 4, 2, negative 1, 2, 1, 2, and 5, negative 2. And if you're going to draw the graph of that different ordered pairs and connect them, kagaya po nito. For example, ito po yung graph ng set M. Now, mula po sa graph ng set M, pinag-connect po yung different points using line. Ito po yung kanyang graph. Now, is this a function or not function? Okay, if you're going to draw a vertical line test, dapat po wala pong points na dadaan o no 2 points fall on one vertical line. So, kahit isa-isahin po natin na lagyan po ito ng vertical line, minsan lang po magi-intersect yung vertical line dito po sa ating graph. So, mean to say, ito pong ating graph represent a function. Okay? So, here again, no 2 or more points lie in the same vertical line is called a function. And how about this number 4? Ito po yung graph ng function o graph ng relation. Okay. Now, is this graph of relation a function or not function? Okay, wala na pong points na nakalagay. But notice, sa line po or this curved line, set of points po ito. Okay. Now, to determine if this is function or not function, just to draw a vertical line. Okay? Ilang beses po niya nadaanan yung vertical line test yung graph? Okay? How many? We have 1, 2, and then 3 po dito. So, 3 times dumaan yung vertical line dito po sa graph, okay, ng relation. Now, since 3 points po ang nadaanan ng vertical line test, is it a function or not function? That is not a function. Okay? Again, 2 or more points lie in the same vertical line test is not a function. Okay, to apply our knowledge about the different representations of relation and functions, let's have this activity or lesson activity number 1. Given the mapping diagram, write the set of ordered pairs, make a table for input and output, and draw its graph. Okay, so bali tatlo po yung gagawin natin. Set of ordered pairs. Okay, write the set of ordered pairs. Then, make table for input and output and draw the graph. So, ang given daw po ay mapping diagram. Ito po siya for number 1. So, this is mapping diagram. Now, first, we are going to write the set of ordered pairs. So, paano po ba? Okay, ito po yung letter A natin na gagawin, set of ordered pair. Okay, so gagawin lang po natin, ganito lang po yon. Okay, unahin po natin sa input, -3, and then, ang pair po niya ay 3. So, yun po yung lalagay natin dito. Okay? So, -3 and then 3, this one. Next one ay 0, -2. Okay? Second ordered pair. Okay, this one. Next, 1, 3. Okay, third ordered pair. And, okay, this one. Last pair, 6 and 4. Okay, or 6, 4. Okay, that one. So, yan po yung kanyang set of ordered pairs from mapping diagram. Next po ay make a table for input and output. So, ito po yung ating table. So, sa ating table, first column is input, second column is the output. Again, always po ang input is X, output is Y. Okay, so here, para madali pong gawan, lahat po nito ay ilalagay po natin dito sa input. Okay, so this become, we have -3, 0, 1, 6. Okay, -3, 0, 1, 6. Yan po yung ating input. And for the output, i-prepare po natin. Okay, take note, hindi po sila magkakasunod-sunod dito. Okay, so we have here, -3, ang pair po niya ay 3. Okay? Okay, then 0, -2, lagay po natin. Okay, again, for -3, 3, okay, this one. 0 is -2. Then next, third, 1 is 3. And last one, 6 and 4. Okay, so this one. So ito po yung kanyang table. Okay, and for the third, how about the graph of that mapping diagram? So paano po kaya natin yan igagraph? So pwede pong directly from mapping diagram igagraph po natin. But since nailagay po natin kanina sa unang sinagutan natin yung kanyang ordered pairs, then ito pong ordered pair na ito ang ipa-plot po natin sa ating Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, unahin po natin -3, 3. Asan po ba yung -3, 3? So -3 for x, this one, and 3 for y. Ito po yung 3 sa y at ito po yung 3 sa x. So, andito po yung point. Okay? So, siya po yan. So, that is -3 and then 3. Next, 0, -2. Okay, so the value of x is 0. Ito po yung x, 0. And the value of y is -2. So from 0, move down, okay, because that is negative. 2 times. So 1, 2, that is -2. So that is 0, -2, and so on. How about 1, 3? So x is 1, x-axis is 1, and then ang y ay 3. Okay, so move 3 times upward kasi positive 3 po yon. So 1, 2, 3, kaya ito po yan. And then for the last one, 6 po ang value ng x. So ito po yung x, horizontal, at ito po yung x. And then positive 4 ang y, move 4 times upward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, kaya ito po yung kanyang point. So this is the graph of the mapping diagram. Okay, so about this lesson activity number 2. Given the ordered pair, represent the relation as mapping diagram and determine if function or not function. Okay, so ang given po ay ordered pair, just like this one, example number 1. So ordered pair ang given, then first, we are going to represent this relation or this ordered pair using mapping diagram. So ima-mapping diagram po natin. Again, sa ating mapping diagram ay dalawa pong semicircle. So yung first one ay input or the value of x. The second ay output or the value of y. Okay. So i-pair po natin. Ito po yung x, first value. Second value ay y. Kaya that is negative 2, 2 for the first ordered pair. Negative 2, 2. And then connect po natin using line or arrow. Next ordered pair is 0, negative 3. Okay. Third ordered pair, 2, 4. Okay. And then last ordered pair, 5, 4. Okay. What have you noticed sa atin pong pairing? Meron po bang na-double na number sa ating input? Wala po. How about sa ating output? Meron po ba? Yes. Ito pong 4. Kapag dalawa po yung na-doble na number here, dapat pag-isahin po natin, just like this one. Okay? Yung 4, we are going to write as 1, and then doon na po natin ipo-point out yung arrow po mula sa input. Okay? Now, this is the mapping diagram of the set of ordered pairs. We are going to tell if this is function or not function. Ito pong mapping diagram, ang correspondence po niya ay many to 1 kasi meron pong 2:1 dito. So, is it a function or not function? Okay? Our answer is function. So, ang many to 1 po sa mapping diagram, that is a function. Okay, another lesson activity number 3. Given the graph, represent the relation as ordered pair and determine if function or not function. So yung ating pong activity number 3, ang given naman po ay graph. So mula po sa graph, we're going to represent the relation as ordered pair. So lahat po ng points dito ay gawin po nating ordered pair. Okay? So this become set of ordered pairs. So ito po yon sila. Okay? So the first point ay ito po, negative 5 sa x at 2 sa y. Kaya negative 5, 2. Second point is 1. Sa x, nakatapat sa negative 3 at sa y, nakatapat sa positive 2. So negative 3, positive 2. Okay, this one. Or, sorry, negative 3, negative 2 kasi nasa baba po siya. Okay, this one. And then, the third one ay, okay, this one, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3 po ba? 3 sa x and then 3 po sa y. Pero meron din po sa katapat niya sa baba. That is 3 sa x and then negative 3 sa y. So this is 3, negative 3. Okay, this one. Now, mula po dito sa ating ordered pair, is it a function or not function? Or mula po dito sa graph, is it a function or not function? Our answer is not a function, of course. So notice here, sa atin pong 2 points sa graph, kapag mag-draw po tayo ng vertical line, ay magfo-fall po yung 2 points sa isang vertical line. Okay? Kaya ito po ay not function. Okay, so let's see how you understand our lesson, making generalization. So ito po yung ating math sign. Ngayon ko lang po ituturo itong math sign language self-assessment scale. Okay. So ito po ay ginagawa po namin to show how you understand our lesson. Okay. So ang letters po natin ay M-A-T-H or math. So M stands for mastered. Ibig sabihin po ng mastered, I fully understand and can solve confidently. And for A, almost there. Ano po yung A, almost there? I understand most parts but still need some guidance. And for T, trying hard. I am putting effort but I get confused with some ideas. And for H, haven't got it. I do not understand yet and cannot solve the problems. Okay, ito po yung ating math sign language using hands. Okay, M, A, T, and S. Okay? So, pwede po ninyong i-show sa akin or just type in the comment section kung ano po yung inyong math sign language. Okay? So, kung hindi po ma-comment yung picture, pwede pong i-comment yung letters. Okay? M-A-T-S. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay? For our formative assessment, tell whether the given relation is function or not function. So, number 1, set of ordered pairs. Number 2, mapping diagram. And for number 3, ay graph. Okay? I'm waiting your answer. Please type your answer in the comment section below this video lesson. Thanks for watching, guys. Kapag nagustuhan mo naman po yung aking presentation of the lesson, baka pwede naman pong pahingi ng like and then subscribe. See you on my next discussion.